Hello everyone, just want to show you people just from the farm with my pepper on my head. Just from the farm with my pepper, bell pepper on the farm. From the farm, see how full my bell pepper are. Just real farm woman. Farm woman. See me from my head to the toes. My farm boot just from the farm. Just now to collect my peppers. See how big they are. To bring them down more. See my peppers, my big peppers fall down. Let's bring them from the farm this morning. See how big, beautiful they are. It's just from the farm this morning. See, from the farm, these bell peppers ripe very well, ripe, ready to use them to do another type of food. When I will do it, I will show you people how to use this bell pepper to do different types of foods. That is good. This is my farm basket, original from the farm. See how big they are. Very beautiful, big, authentic, original, without a spray of insecticides on them, and they come out big like this. Very nice. When I will use it to transform it to another type of food, I will show you people. This is me from the farm with my boat. With my farm boat. With my farm boat from the farm. Just want to show you, friends, that this from the farm, very big. Everyone can do it. Anybody can do it to produce original, authentic, biological foods to eat. Even though you don't have farm to do them, you buy them. They sell in the market. And at your backyard, you can plant them. See how beautiful they are. And we transform them to a nice food. When I will do it, I will show you people. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot to show you people. Subscribe and follow. There's a lot of things, original organic things I will do and show you people. See? This is my pepper. Bell peppers, very nice. These are good to grill in the oven or to do another type of food, which I will show you people next time. Bye everyone. Follow, subscribe and follow. There's many ways, many things I will show you people how to do them. Now I put my slippers. The farm is over. Put back my slippers. Remove the boot. This is a farm boot. Remove them and put my slippers. Bye everyone. See you next time when I will do the transform it to another type of food. Bye, and thank you for following and subscribe and make like and share. Bye everyone. Thank you.